Hey guys, I'm coming to you from Dallas, Texas. Listen, we just got in from, wow, we've got quite a storm coming too. Just got in from Oklahoma City, had a great event today. Here for Dallas, we've got 4 events in the next 2 days. And listen, I just want to talk to the participants that are going to be there. We've got 400 people coming, and I hope you're ready for change. I hope you're ready to learn something new that's going to take your selling and your customer experience to the next level. Listen, it's gonna be as exciting as this thunderstorm is behind me. I guarantee it. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna talk about some new stuff that you maybe haven't heard in a long time, maybe never. But the real goal to any training is, are you willing to do what it takes afterwards? Are you willing to practice? Are you willing to take that information and actually go out and practice it, talk to customers, and see if it makes a difference? Because that's the goal of really any training that you go to, any book that you read, any workshop that you attend. The real goal is to see what you can do with that information and to make a difference. Because if you're not willing to be different, if you're not willing to change, then really it's just going to be a fun, entertaining experience. And I hope that's what it is for you. But it could be so much more. So you guys, when you think about training and when you think about what it takes to be successful, look what Tiger Woods did a couple weeks ago at the Masters. You know, he went out there after 11 years and went out and won another major championship, and he practiced his tail off. That's what he did. He obviously knew how to play golf, but he practiced. You know, he had proven that many times over that he knew what he was doing, but it took practice. And it takes practice at everything that we do. And so when you learn new information, go out and practice it, perfect it, make it yours, make it better. And if you do that, you'll have the success that you wanted. And that's the true goal of a training, because we know that you're gonna forget, you're not gonna retain everything that you learned, but are you gonna take those 2 or 3 or 4 things and practice them that you learned that you really thought would make a difference, practice them, get really good at them, and then make it part of who you are. So guys, we're looking forward to these trainings here in Dallas, and boy, this rain is really coming down. Look at it out.